Hey, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing head to toe winter glow spa routine and gift ideas for the friend or family member in your life who loves a little self-care or an at-home spa day. So I'm going to do a few easy DIYs to make at home, along with some of my favorites to do in the cooler winter months. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. With the Black Friday sales and specials coming up in the next few weeks, I'm going to be giving a shout out to the favorite sponsors of my channel for 2025, and OSEA is definitely one of them. I absolutely love their products, but I also love what they stand for and their brand ethos. OSEA is a clean beauty brand, vegan and cruelty-free, ocean and climate responsible, and mother and daughter founded. So I love that, but I absolutely love the products. This is the Undaria Body Collection. It comes with the beautiful body wash, cleansing body polish, body oil, and the body lotion. During the Black Friday event, if you purchase this set, you will unlock 4 free gifts at a $70 value. This is the best of travel set, which works great for travel, but also works great as stocking stuffers. So a little added value this holiday season if you want to give the gift of self-care. So you can shop now for up to 4 free gifts and save an additional 10% off when using my code RTalbot10 at checkout. You can click on the link in my description below, and there are lots of options, different self-care sets, and lots of things to look at, dry brushes, their Ocean Body Glow set, their bestsellers, so check it out, and thanks to OSEA for sponsoring my channel this past year. All right, so let's start this head-to-toe winter glow spa routine with a DIY. This is going to be a detoxifying scalp treatment using Bentonite Clay. If you don't already know about Bentonite Clay, you're definitely going to want to pick this up from Amazon. Keep it in your beauty cabinet. It's great for so many things. You can use it as a facial mud mask, a body mud mask, or like here, I'm using it as a scalp detox. I'm making this a little thinner, and you can add a drop of peppermint or rosemary oil or even tea tree oil, but 1 drop is really all you need because it can be very potent, and you do want to do just like a little test to see if you're sensitive on your scalp. Also, if you're in a pinch, you can make a quick and easy full body scrub with some brown sugar, a drop or 2 of peppermint essential oil, a drop or 2 of vanilla essential oil, or even vanilla paste. This can be put in a really pretty glass jar and gifted for the holidays as well, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in December. Next, I like to prep the shower by bringing in a plant or maybe hanging up some eucalyptus, but I especially love these waterproof LED candles that I've been using for decor around my house. But I brought them into my bathroom, I turned them on, I love that they're waterproof, but they just really add a nice flickering ambiance to the shower, and adding a plant and some candles really makes a difference, especially if you want to do an everything spa shower. I also recently picked up this collapsible towel warmer. I love this as a gift idea for the friend or family member in your life who loves a little cozy, but I definitely got one for myself. I love that it collapses so I can store it away in the summer when I probably won't use it as much, but it fits 2 towels, 1 robe, and even like my cozy little cardigan that I got from Walmart. It makes it so warm. You can set the timer. There's different warmth settings, but also you can put it in there and it's ready to go when you get out of the shower. I absolutely love an everything shower. The OSEA body wash is truly one of my favorites because it's incredibly hydrating. A lot of body washes just kind of make your skin feel dry when you're finished. This one does not. It just feels really good on the skin, and it smells amazing. It almost has this really subtle grapefruit scent, which was wonderful in the summer, but I also love that in the winter too, as grapefruit is pretty popular in the winter months as well. I love that the scrub is really soft and leaves my skin looking really soft and glowy and also smelling really nice. So I like to do a head to toe scrub. If I don't have one on hand, I will make one. And then I'm going to use my Detox serum. I'm just going to take a few of these droppers into my scalp. If you decide to put a drop or 2 of peppermint oil or rosemary oil, you will feel a little bit of a tingle, but make sure to do a patch test first because it can be very potent if you accidentally put too much peppermint oil in there. You can certainly just do the clay by itself, and that will help detoxify the scalp, any excess oils, and just absorb any of that, and then you can wash your hair and use conditioner as normal. So I'm going to go ahead and do my shower routine. I'm going to shave and do my everything shower. And then when I get out, I'm going to brush my hair and use a few of my hair favorites. I'm going to use this leave-in hair treatment by Virtue. This is the Damage Reverse Serum. This is for split ends. I love their products because they smell absolutely amazing. First of all, I love Jennifer Garner. I think she's great. But I have just been using Virtue products on and off over the last few years, and I really, really like the ones that I've used. I also have been using the Vegamour Grow Serum for around my crown, where I noticed a little bit of hair thinning after having my kids, and I like to use a product there just because when I wear my hair back, I notice a little bit of just like thinning, sort of peach fuzz. Might be from, sleeping on my pillowcase and moving back and forth. I'm not really sure. But it doesn't have any sticky texture or weird smell or anything. I love that it basically feels lightweight like water, but I have noticed those little baby hairs growing back in, so I use that pretty consistently after I get out of the shower. And then I have been doing braids for jujitsu, but also on days when I don't really want to fuss with my hair and I just want it easy and out of my way. I have always been not the greatest at doing French braids, but I'm in the growth mindset state of mind these days, and I'm going to keep practicing because I always told myself I wasn't good at doing hair braids, but I'm not going to say that anymore. I just need to practice more. So I have been practicing. I usually do 2 braids and then kind of tie them together in the back or put them in like a little low bun. But I've been doing that a lot lately and I like it. And then my hair is, nice and curly when I take it out the next day as well. One thing I have talked about for years on my channel is my obsession with body oil, and I especially like this one. I've been using it very consistently over the last year. I have been using the OSEA products. I'm going to layer the lotion first, and then I'm going to do the body oil. And especially if I'm feeling dehydrated and I want to do a spa day, I'm going to drink lots of water, get nice and hydrated. I'm going to slather my body in lotion and oils, and I love that this is a clean beauty brand, so I feel safe putting this all over my body. Our body is our biggest organ, so definitely for the products you're using all over your body, you want to try to find something that's clean ingredients. It smells absolutely lovely. It absorbs beautifully into the skin. So I love to do kind of like a quick massage, focus on any areas that are feeling tender or sore from working out. And then, just basically slather my entire body in oil, put my warm robe on, and just kind of let that sit. I like to sit in my robe under a heated blanket and listen to a soothing sound bath. You can look up a spa sound bath on YouTube. I have my noise canceling headphones that I usually use for my workouts, but I like to use them when I'm cleaning or doing chores around the house, or even when I'm sitting in bed listening to a sound bath. And I also have my CurrentBody Sauna blanket, or it's kind of like a sleeping bag, if you will, from CurrentBody. They gifted me this last year and I love it, especially during the winter months when it gets frigid. But listening to a sound bath under a heated blanket is really nice too. It just is so relaxing. I know CurrentBody is also having some Black Friday sales and I have a coupon code, I believe, somewhere. So let me dig that up and I'll put that in the description box in case anyone's interested. And then this winter, I'm going to be drinking lots of cranberry hibiscus tea. You can find it on Amazon, but I found it at Aldi. And the hibiscus is naturally rich in vitamin C. The cranberry, the combination is really good for the skin from the inside out. So it's a great little beauty tip / secret for the winter months, and also helpful to boost your immune system. So I'm going to be drinking a lot of that as well. And then I'm going to be doing a foot bath with my collapsible foot bath, another great gift idea for the holidays. and I'm gonna give myself a little holiday pedicure with some red toenail polish. That completes this video. I hope you enjoyed this winter glow head to toe spa routine and gift ideas for the upcoming season, and keep your eyes out for more videos through the rest of the year. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.